sponsored to you by In Conversation with Lenses. So for any photo shoots or video editing and videography services, you may reach out to them and they will give you the best of best supports. Hi people, my name is Deepak and you're watching Tube 11. Stay connected. Today we have a very interesting personality, a model, and that's none other than Miss Harshita Rathod. Welcome, Harshita.
Thank you so much, Deepak. I hope you're doing good.
Yes, very good. Yes. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. I'm doing great. Thank you.
Nice to know. Okay, so let's begin. Harshita, why don't you tell our viewers about yourself? About what do you do?
Okay. Yeah. So basically, see, myself, Harshita Rathod, and I'm a model, a fashion model, and currently working as HR recruiter. I'm from Bangalore itself. I'm born and brought up in Bangalore, and I'm 21. And it's been 4 years I'm into modeling, and I'm still into modeling, but I'm focusing on my HR recruiting career. So yeah, this is all a small note about me.
Great, nice. So here's your first question. How is your typical day at work?
So my typical day starts with, I reach to the location and then I sit for a makeup for 1 hour or 2 hours. So it depends on what look I'm shooting for. Okay, and then we begin the shoot, and it usually ends like, it usually takes 2 to 4 hours to shoot with one costume. Okay, so yeah, usually I skip my breakfast and go to shoot, and then, a lot of struggle. It's all about a teamwork. When it comes to shoot, I'm really focused on that. And we finish the shoot and we discuss about the poses and everything, and we check out the pictures, the outcome, how it exactly came out. If you think that it's not enough, we start shooting again. So it's something like that, and then I head back to home. That is it all about.
Nice. Okay, so your next question: have you faced any criticism, and if yes, then how did you handle it?
Yes, I feel I have been through a few criticism. I think we have to take it in a positive way, because see, if we react to the criticism, then it's their win. Okay, so I feel I always take criticism in a positive way for a good progress. So I never react for any criticism. I take it in a positive way, as I said.
Sure. If you don't mind, may I know on what way you criticized? I mean, if you choose not to answer, you can, but yeah, if you want to, then.
Yeah, I got criticized for in the beginning of my career. I used to not walk properly on ramp. I was not groomed properly. So they criticized me like, you're not doing it good. You're not choreographers, like you're not doing it good. You're not carrying yourself good. And then I took it in a positive way. I just learned from other models, my senior models. And then I started doing, it helped me to the progress of my work. Sure. So it's basically like that.
Great. So your next question: what products you enjoy shooting for?
Okay, it's not particularly products, but I enjoy shooting for concepts. Okay. The concept shoot. I remember, I had a shoot in KR Market. Okay, we planned a concept shoot in KR Market. I was dressed in a traditional way with a little touch of boldness. Okay, so we went to KR Market. It's a crowded place, right?
Correct.
So we started shooting there. We started searching for a spot, exactly where to shoot. So we didn't had any idea. Then we went to this flower market, and it was very difficult for me to pose in front of hundreds of people. Okay, so it was quite challenging. So I like shooting for concept shoots, I would say.
Nice. Okay, so here is the next question: what are some of your memorable experiences as a model, and something that you would cherish for your entire life? So some memorable moments that you want to cherish for your entire life.
Yeah, so the first when I started my career, I was in a pageant called Miss India Elegant 2016. So I was crowned as a Miss India Elegant 2016 South. So I would cherish that moment. It was a really, I was really emotional, and I was like, I didn't know anything about modeling, and suddenly I got that crown, and it was a very happy moment, I would say. I cherish that moment, and I will never forget that moment when I won that crown.
Great. Nice. Okay. So here we move to your next question. What are the barriers or difficulties in entering the industry? If anybody wants to enter into modeling today, what could be the difficulties that they could face?
Okay, first of all, I would say the society. See, if if I'm a model, I have to wear a certain kind of clothes, like you can say the short clothes, or if we are a model, we obviously have to carry ourselves in that way. And I got many abuses and stuff when I was wearing a short cloth and out in public. So I would say that was very difficult for me to take it. And now I think people are fine with that. And new models, fresher models, they have to be did you ask about fresher models? They have what they face and everything.
Correct.
Yeah. So see, initially when I started my career, I used to not get paid properly for my work because I was not so good at it. Okay. So I think fresher models would face the same thing. Like they will not get paid for their work, whatever they have done. So that thing, I would say, that is difficult. And what else? Yeah, as I said, the family thing. One more thing is the family. My family, my father didn't support me for my career, actually. He was totally against my modeling career because, yeah, of course, like they were insecure about my clothing and my shows and everything, traveling out of Bangalore. That was quite difficult for me to face my family as well. So, yeah, now they are fine with that because it's been 4 months. I handled them well. So it's fine. But fresher models might face that.
True. Yeah, because the typical Indian family, and then we might look at how people around us would start talking about. It's right.
Yeah. Even in my apartment, even in my apartment I stay, they started complaining and stuff that she comes back home late. And I used to travel a lot, I used to come late from other city, finishing my fashion shows and stuff. So I used to wear short clothes and walk into my apartment. So that was quite, they started complaining on me. So that was the thing I faced.
Yeah. So these are your potential barriers. All newcomers, please be aware. Yeah. And no job is easy, right? So even modeling looks very colorful, beautiful. There are actually, there are other barriers as well to the entry. Thank you. Let's move to the next question, Harshita.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is that one thing that you really enjoy about modeling?
That one thing I really enjoy about modeling is facing camera. I love to face camera just because I can be myself. I don't pretend to be someone else. So I pose like however I want to pose. I give that expression however I want to give the expression. It's just that I don't pretend to be someone else. It's a sense of freedom, you can say.
True. Interesting. Okay. Yeah. So, let's move to the next question. How do you update yourself? Do you think even modeling needs a lot of upskilling? Because HR, being a HR, we all believe that you need to upskill yourself continuously in any industry you are. But do you think even modeling needs some kind of an upskillment?
Yes, I think models have to follow the trend. I personally follow my fashion icon. I follow the trend, how the outfit they wear, the hairstyle they do, my fashion icon basically. So I think models have to follow the trend to be a model, to portray themselves as a model. So that's really important for models to follow the trend.
Okay.
So that's how we update. And one more thing, I keep update myself to stay away from toxic people. I cut off toxic people from my life to update myself because they spread negativity in my life. So that's why. And I do workouts and everything. It's really important for a model to tone up. We have to be careful about our diet. And if we put on weight, we have to, tone up ourselves. We have to work out towards our body and stuff. So that is how I update myself.
Nice. So so continuous workout so that you stay in shape and following trend. Nice.
Yes.
Okay. So who's your mentor?
Okay. To speak about my modeling career, I'm first of all, I'm really honored and privileged to have these wonderful people around me. My sister Usha Rathod, she actually got me into modeling, and she motivated me. She inspired me. I mean, she is into modeling too, and she inspired me to be a model. And she groomed me, and she supported me a lot more than my father. So yeah, I think she is my mentor till now. And about my HR career, the special person called Amar, he actually motivated me for this HR career, and he actually created my resume, and he prepared me for interviews and everything. So yeah, he's the mentor for my HR career, and my sister is my mentor for my modeling career, I would say.
Nice. Okay. Okay. Then, so what has been your sister's contribution to your career? Because you call her a mentor. So what has been her
Yes.
contribution? One major contribution that you will remember forever?
Yes, she used to stay with me while this fashion shows and all. It used to go till 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock.
Oh.
She has small kids, my niece and nephew, basically. So my show used to go till 11 and 12 o'clock. She used to stay with me till I finished my show, and she used to come back to home with me, leaving the kids with my brother-in-law. So this is the contribution she has done. She supported me a lot for my career, and she used to always motivate me. And she used to, when I get the negative comments and everything, she used to say that it's okay, you will do better, you will do really great in the industry. And she motivated to me for acting career also, but unfortunately I was not really interested in acting, so I didn't get into acting. But yeah, I would say I will continue modeling.
Sure.
And she has done a lot of as I said, she motivated me, and she stayed with me even though my father was against my modeling. So yeah, I think she's done a lot for me for my career as well.
Great. A sister being this kind of a support,
Yeah.
really great. You're so lucky. Okay, so just one last question, I think, and then we'll be done.
Okay.
Who, according to you, can take up modeling as a career? Who should take up modeling as a career, according to you?
Okay, I would say the people who are really interested to get into modeling, who have a good personality and good height. Okay, and if they are really into really serious about modeling career and really bold to face the society, and to face the if they are really confident that they can do it, I think those people can get into modeling.
Lovely, nice. Okay, so that was Harshita for you people. Harshita, we had a great time talking to you. I hope.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, so I hope even you enjoyed talking to us.
Yeah, I enjoyed a lot. Thank you so much for having me here.
Thank you, Harshita. So let the lockdown get over, and then we should meet.
Definitely.
On that note, see you. Thank you for joining us, and wish you a great day.
Thank you for having me.
Career.
You too have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah, stay safe, stay well. Bye-bye. Take care.
You too. Take care. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.